Bake a perfect cranberry swirl coffee cake with this easy tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a delicious recipe for cranberry swirl coffee cake. If you're a fan of cranberries in coffee cake, then you're going to love this recipe. It's the perfect blend of sweet and tart flavors that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 cup sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup cranberry sauce. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, until well combined. Mix in the sour cream and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. In a small bowl, mix together the cranberry sauce, flour, sugar, and cinnamon until well combined. Pour half of the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. Spoon the cranberry mixture on top of the batter, spreading it out evenly. Top with the remaining batter, spreading it out to cover the cranberry mixture. Use a knife to swirl the cranberry mixture into the batter. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before removing it from the pan and transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, folks, a delicious recipe for cranberry swirl coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a tasty breakfast treat or a dessert to impress your friends and family, this coffee cake won't disappoint. So, give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.